Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another quarantine vlog. This is the episode 3, and yesterday I asked you guys, actually today, but today is actually 16th April, so I asked you guys what fun activities to do during quarantine, and some of you told me that I should cook now. If you know, I can't cook anything, like literally I can't even cook Maggie, let alone like anything else, but I can follow a tutorial and try. So I'll be making pancakes today. Now I have made pancakes in the past and they taste really good, so let's just go and make pancakes. But also, if you aren't following me on my Instagram yet, then you definitely should, because I post really good content there. It is at Samriddhi Awasthi. And now let's go. Also, some of you guys asked about my skincare routine, because literally you cannot even see any pimples, but you can see like these little things. These are mosquito bites. I have a lot of mosquitoes. It's all over my body. So for that I only wash my face with water. That's all I do. Literally no soap, no face wash, nothing else but just water. So if you want, probably just follow someone else's skincare routine and not mine, because literally I think that's my skin is like this and I don't know why it is, but I'm happy. So let's go. So guys, I figured the recipe out. Firstly, you need this is all-purpose flour or maida, and this is 3/4 cup. So first you need to put this in, and after that you need to put in half cup wheat flour atta. Oop. And after that you need to do something else also. Yes, you need to put in, this is 1.5 teaspoon, I guess, yeah, baking powder, not baking soda. Oh, this goes in, and yeah, I have all the measuring ingredients. See, I'm a dedicated baker. Yep. And yeah, then you water mix the dry ingredients as it said in the recipe. After that you need to put in, this is vegetable oil. This is 2 tablespoon, yeah, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil. And you need to put in 1 cup, what is this? This is milk, 1 cup milk with 2 teaspoons sugar and 1 mashed banana. That's that. I'm making banana pancakes, by the way. And then you need to mix this up. So the pancake batter is ready. It said that the recipe said that if it is too thick, you can add in 1 to 2 teaspoon or tablespoon of water, but I thought that water will make it worse, so I added milk, and I guess it's fine. I mean, yeah, it looks fine. So and now we need to let it rest for 15 minutes, and after that we can cook it. So the first pancake is on the stove. I mean, not on, but technically on, and it said that it should get completely brown on the other side, like not completely brown, it will be burned, like golden brown, and the bubbles will be all over it. Then you can flip it. So that's what I'm going to do. So it should look something like this, and then you can turn it and cook it on the other side, like it's cooking on the other side. Pancake number 2 is cooking currently, and pancake number 1 is over there.
A chance when you least expect it sets you on a course that you never planned, into a future you never imagined.
So guys, I forgot to mention the time earlier, but right now it is 7:30, and I am a chef now, because well, I made pancakes and they taste good. I mean, how do they taste good? I made them, and now from now on I'll be calling myself Chef Sam. So you guys can also use the hashtag Chef Sam and spell chef with S, like SHEF and SAM. So thank you. Also guys, I have posted the picture here announcing that I have like partnered up with UNICEF. So you should definitely follow me on my Instagram. It's at Samriddhi Awasthi. It's not focusing to okay, it's at Samriddhi Awasthi. You should definitely follow me. Here's my account. Update guys, it is, I don't know what date it is. I mean, it's Thursday today, but the date is 23rd April, and I filmed on 16th April, I guess, the last time I filmed. So I needed to update you guys, of course, on my life. And firstly, it is currently 10:35 p.m. and I took a shower and everything. And yes, my sleeping schedule has changed. Now I sleep at 9 p.m. instead of 6 a.m. So it has drastically changed, and I am super proud of it. I'm not able to have so much of fun at night, but I have it during the day, so it's fine, I guess. I found out yesterday that there are 4 new cases in here where I live, like in the area where I live, and my area is now declared as a hotspot. Hotspot is an area from which majority of the cases from the city have been coming out. So my area has been declared a hotspot now. There was one positive case, I guess, a couple of days ago, and now there are 5 cases here where I live itself. So, and the area in which the 5 people live is pretty close to my house. Okay guys, so I just uploaded a video and I'm eating pizza while watching Gossip Girl. So this video is called my quarantine study routine. Also wanted to tell you, some of you asked me make study routine for online classes. I don't have online classes. I mean, I am technically out of school now. Only one exam of BST is left, and I don't know whether it will take place or not. I hope it will. But yeah, I don't have online classes because I only have one exam left, and after that I'll be in college, so no online classes for me. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry to disappoint. Many of you guys asked me to like paint, so I am attempting to make this painting or drawing / whatever it is here. Okay, now I'm going to take this foil, and I learned this technique in a video. I'm going to take and make it into a ball, and then I'm going to make this upper surface a little bit wet. Wait for it. Okay, like that. And for the grass look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. Okay, it's not working. No, it's working. Okay. That is the drawing / painting / whatever you call it, and I think I did a pretty good job, except for this little cactus part. Yeah, it does look a little shady, but if you look it, I think I'm an artist now. So before ending this vlog, I thought that this vlog was pretty fun, painting, cooking, and I thought the third thing you need in your life is Netflix. So I thought of recommending some Netflix movies which you guys should definitely watch, because like they are so good, and these are the ones which you have not probably watched before. Like, I know you guys have watched To All the Boys I've Loved before, because that movie is pretty like famous. These ones you might not have watched them. These are rom-com movies. I have a complete list on my phone, so I'm going to share some of the best ones, like 5. I'm going to share 5 of them and explain what happens in them. The first one being The Perks of Being a Wallflower. This movie is so good, and by the way, all of these are on Netflix, so don't worry. The first one is The Perks of Being a Wallflower. You will recognize the cast so well. Emma Watson is in there, Logan Lerman is in there, and many other renowned names are on that movie. So it is basically a young adult or coming out a coming of age movie. It In this movie there's a guy, I don't remember his name, I watched the movie way before, but there's this guy who is like struggling, who is in high school and he's struggling because one of his best friends killed himself, and like it's just basically a very wholesome movie, and it's a great movie. You should definitely watch this movie. It's on the list, like number 1 on my list of the top 5. The next one you should watch is Alex Strangelove. Now many people have not watched this movie, but this is a coming out movie and it is such a good movie. It represents the LGBT community and how they struggle, so it's a really great movie. I think you should definitely watch it. There's a guy called Alex Trulove and he is struggling to find his sexual orientation, and it's just a really nice movie, so it is second on my list. The third one which you should watch is Feet Apart. I'm sure many of you might have watched it, many of you might not have watched it, but 5 Feet Apart is such a good movie and you should definitely watch 5 Feet Apart. It stars Haley Lu Richard and Cole Sprouse. Now the two characters played by Haley Lu and Cole Sprouse have cystic fibrosis and they deal with it while falling in love, and they have to stay 6 feet apart from each other, and it's just so great. And you should watch it right now because that's what we all are doing, staying away from each other, like 5 feet apart or 3 feet apart, whatever. It's a really nice movie. You should definitely watch it. The next one which you should watch is Remember Me. Remember Me is again such a good movie. It focuses on the 9/11 tragedy which happened in the World Trade Organization in USA on September 1st. I don't remember the date exactly, but it's a really nice movie, and it's this like rom-com, not exactly comedy, but like it's a romance / thriller movie, I should say. It's a really great movie. Remember Me, not many people know about it, but it's a great movie. It stars Robert Pattinson and that girl from H2O. I don't remember her name, but it's a really nice movie. Is The Lucky One. The Lucky One is a nice movie. I really like it. It's very light hearted movie, and it's a really nice movie. It stars these two kids, and this one girl has crush on his neighbor and she always tries to impress him, and they have this tree in which the girl like climbs up, and then they cut this tree down. I don't want to spoil it, but it's a really nice movie. And if you're sticking till here, I'll give you one more. You should definitely watch Swiped. It stars Noah Centineo and it's a really nice movie. It's comedy as well, so it's great. You should definitely watch Swipe. So these were my top picks, top 5/6 bonus one. That was all for this video. I really hope you all like it. In the next one I'll be doing pranks and truth and dares, so let me know the truth and dares down in the comment box below, and I'll do it in my next quarantine vlog. And my area is in hotspot, so I have to be a little extra careful, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi. Bye.